Hey folks, Eric here from Thumper Spinnerbaits. Doing a little workout in the boat today, and I know a lot of guys run the Pro Trim, your nice little turn signal style trim. Well, that's all plastic there, and to me, feels really flimsy. Like I'm going to snap it off. So I found some aftermarket replacements to replace these, and they're from DD26 Fishing. That is aluminum billet, and you can get aluminum blinker handle to go with it. Come in a multitude. These are so simple to change. If you get on their website, the folks at DD26 have a video on these, how to put them in. This is really simple. You just take your blinker knob and unscrew that. Now you want to keep the rubber boot right here. You want to keep that part. So, and then you got a nut right there. If I can get a hold of it, that should just slide right off, just like that. And then this one here, you take this one, just slide it back over the top. And, lost my little nut there. But that nut just screws back on here. You just hand tighten that. Then you want to take your rubber gasket off of there. If I can do this and hold the phone at the same time. You want to give that a little twist, pop that off of there, just like so. And then we're going to slide that one back onto the new one. So now we got new blinker handle with our gasket. It just threads right back on here. You just want to snug that up. It'll compress that seal up against the side of it. Boom. Now you got more solid piece. Looks really sharp. You can see, works great. So yeah, if you're wanting to replace that flimsy plastic Pro Trim stuff, give the folks at DD26 Fishing a holler. Look them up on the internet, on their website. They've got a lot of cool products there. They've got transom savers and steering locks that you can get color coordinated to match your boat. They've got nice fitted motor covers for the new Mercury 4-strokes, the Pro XS's. You can get them in any color you want to. Snap to install, that's a vented cover, by the way, so you can leave it on, and you can protect that investment. All right, folks, we'll catch you on down the road. I'll talk to you later. Bye.